This video introduces the Summit Racing Long Reach Connector Pliers. These long reach pliers with specially shaped vinyl covered jaws can tighten those PL259 and Type N connectors easily. This tool is now available from DX Engineering. Using the Long Reach Connector Pliers is easy. Install the PL259 and get it finger tight. Using the Long Reach Connector Pliers, grasp the PL259 collar. Snug the PL259 firmly in place with just a few short moves. Regular pliers can damage and scratch the collars. The Long Reach Connector Pliers' rubber-coated surfaces will not damage the PL259 collar. No metal-to-metal contact. Removing a PL259 is just as easy. Grasp the PL259 with the Long Reach Connector Pliers, and with a short twist it will loosen up and then can be removed easily by hand. Summit Racing Long Reach Connector Pliers are handy tools to have around the shack. The Summit Racing Long Reach Connector Pliers, SUM 900071, are available now from DX Engineering. These Long Reach Connector Pliers make an invaluable addition to your amateur radio tool collection. The Long Reach Connector Pliers have rubber-coated surfaces which grip the PL259 collar without causing collar damage. No metal-to-metal contact. The Long Reach Connector Pliers, part number SUM 900071, are available now from DX Engineering. DX Engineering, your source for quality amateur radio products and accessories. Visit us on the web at www.dxengineering.com.